Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off sensitive content on Instagram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Instagram allows you to control how much sensitive content appears in your feed, and this works the same on both iPhone and Android. To begin, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. From Menu, click on three lines and head into Settings. Instagram occasionally moves things around, but the option you're looking for is currently located under Content Preferences. Inside this section, you'll see Sensitive Content. If you want to reduce or completely turn it off, simply switch the setting to Less, which limits the amount of sensitive content shown on your account. And if you want to turn this on, simply switch this More option that says you will see more sensitive content. If you don't see options like More or Less, this usually means Instagram believes your account is under 18. Accounts set as under 18 automatically have sensitive content restricted and cannot change this setting. To fix this, go back to Settings, tap on Account Center, then tap on your profile and check your birth date. If it's incorrect and shows you as under 18 when you're actually over 18, update it to your correct birth date. Once updated, you'll gain full control over the sensitive content settings. And that's it. So that's basically how you can turn on or off sensitive content on Instagram. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.